What's going on, guys? Quick 2-minute video or less. This is a 2010 Mazda CX-7. Customer complaint was of a noise. When I drove it the first time, it felt like it was some sway bar links. As you saw, we got some brand new sway bar links. The strut's been replaced to try to remedy this noise, and the noise is still persistent. So look at the control arm and everything else looks good to me. So the one test that I did to kind of narrow down the problem, which you should do every time you have some noise, this is one test you can do very easily, is the brakes. So when you're driving your car and you're having some noise, try to step on the brakes even lightly, apply pressure on it as you're driving, and go through some rough roads and see if you still hear the noise. And if the noise disappears as you have your brake pressed on, then you know the noise coming from the braking system. One of these components is loose. So we came here to check the bolts in the back and the front, everything looks good. But watch this. There goes your noise right there. So that is a result of, hold on one second. This caliper pin right here, out of the two, that's the bigger one, the smallest one. And it's supposed to have a boot that's going to keep it from rattling around, and by the looks of it, this bolt is torn. This end right here is supposed to be very long. It goes inside of the bore, and the pin's supposed to fit snug in it so it doesn't have to play. But the bolt, as you see, has been torn and compromised, and as a result, we have this play. All right. Anyway, watch out for that.